Engineering is always a key pillar of any economic progression in many countries, and that includes Singapore. Technology has advanced in recent times, driving towards automation. AI, cybersecurity, machine learning are important key technologies in coming years. Electrical and electronic engineers are the ones that will create these new solutions and innovations.
With 60 years of history, SP School of EEE continue to stay relevant with the industry. Today, we have 8 industry-collaborated technology hubs ranging from semiconductor technology to smart urban transportation. SP School of EEE offer 4 full-time diplomas and many other short courses, specialist diploma and advanced diploma. With the state-of-the-art facility and technology hub and supported by competent and nurturing lecturers, we aim to provide a journey of discovery and development of our students to be self-directed learner, versatile, solution-minded, and future-ready engineer who are trained to devise solutions for the digitally enabled world.
What SP has taught me is really beyond the textbooks. They apply both theoretical knowledge as well as hands-on experiences. And that has helped me really do a lot of projects throughout my career with the same application and the same mindset that I had from the school. So as a SP graduate, you'll be highly versatile, and in versatility there are 2 forms. The first is it opens up the door for you to work in many different sectors if you decide to seek employment. The other one that I would say is you would actually get yourself opened up because the diploma is widely accepted by renowned universities locally and internationally. If you have the intention to further your education, that gives you a good standing and a stepping board to take on the next step.